Hello, children. Are we all ready to start with a new class today now of social studies? Yes, all ready? Fine. Now, children, in our last class, I told you all that in social studies, we will be learning about stars and moon and sun and planets and all. Do you remember? Yes, our today's class is based on that. It's a very interesting topic, so listen to the video very carefully. Now, all of y'all, close your eyes and think it's night time. What do you see in the sky when it's night, during the night time? Millions of small dots twinkling. Can you see that? Yes, keep your eyes closed. Don't open your eyes. What are they called? Those twinkling small dots, points, what are they called? Yes, stars. What else do you see apart from stars? Yes, the moon. Now it's morning time. Open your eyes. What do you see in the sky just now? What? Something bright shining in the sky? What is it called? Sun. Very good, children. Yes. So during the daytime, we see the sun in the sky, and during nighttime, we see lots of millions of stars twinkling and the moon. Now, do you know what are these stars, moons, planets? What are they called? They are the heavenly bodies. Now, stars and planets, do you know why do these stars twinkle? Because these stars are nothing but big balls of fire. Some stars are big, some are medium size, and some are small. But all these stars are big balls of fire. And since it is fire, so it gives out light and it gives out heat. When you go near the gas, what comes out? Fire. Can you touch the fire? You feel the heat, right? And at night time, it gives light also, right? Same way, stars are big balls of fire, and that is why it gives out heat and it gives out light. But at the same time, do you see these stars moving from one place to another, going somewhere to the left, to the right? No? No, they don't move from their places. They stay wherever they are. They don't move from their place. Okay? Now, children, I told you all that there are planets also which are also called heavenly bodies. Right? But these planets, they can be seen because the light of these stars fall on them. They are called planets. And you know, they are not balls of fire. Like stars, stars are balls of fire. But planets are not balls of fire. But they are balls which are made up of rocks. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Few planets are made up of rocks. Few planets are made up of gases. Do you know that? But these planets, they don't give out heat and light because they are not balls of fire. But they can be seen. Why? Because the light of the stars falls on them. I told you all that the stars don't move from one place to another. They are like statues. They stay at one place. They don't move. But the planets keep on moving around, round and round, non-stop. They don't get tired. They don't stop for a second also. Continuously since millions of years they are moving around what? किसके आगे पीछे गोल गोल घूम रहे हैं? They are moving around one of the brightest stars, and that is the sun, which we see during the daytime. Yes, all these planets, these 8 planets that I told you all, they move around the sun. Sun के आगे around गोल गोल घूमते. They never stop. But sun is a star. Sun does not move from the place. लेकिन sun के around planets घूमते हैं. Okay, so this is the difference between stars and planets. Stars are big balls of fire, whereas planets are heavenly bodies which move around the sun. Planets do not give heat and light, stars give out heat and light. Stars stay at one place, they don't move, and planets, they move around the sun. And you know, these planets, they have a fixed path. They don't change their road. They move in the same path. Like say, there are certain cars which are going on a road. Certain cars, they move very fast. Certain cars overtake and they go and they change the lane, don't they? Planets don't do that. They go in their same path. They don't change their lane. And that path is called an orbit. O-R-B-I-T, orbit. But where do you see all these stars and sun and moon and planets and all? These stars, sun and all the other heavenly bodies, they make up the universe. What is universe? A big space. बहुत बड़ी जगह. And what does that universe consist of? क्या है उस universe में? That universe consists of the sun, the moon, the planets, the galaxies. Then there are asteroids. What are asteroids? They are rocks in the sky. Big, big rocks. There are stars and lots of other heavenly bodies. They all together make up the universe. Today. So did you all understand this much, children? What is a universe? A big space, and the universe is made up of stars and solar systems and different types of galaxies and planets and asteroids and comets and big, big clouds of dust and gases. Now, children, I use the word solar system. What does the solar system consist of? The solar system consists of the sun and 8 planets which move around the sun. Like in this picture. Can you see this picture, children? Yes. Can you see the brightest star? Yes, the sun right in the middle, on the left hand side of the picture. Now just next to the sun, can you see that small round planet? That's Mercury. It is the closest planet to the sun. Closest, सबसे पास, sun के सबसे पास जो planet है, that is Mercury. Now second planet, can you see the second planet? It is Venus. Now Venus is the brightest. V-E-N-U-S, Venus. Can you see it? Yes. Venus is the brightest and the hottest planet. But Mercury is closer to the sun. तो Mercury क्यों इतना गर्म नहीं है? क्यों Venus ज़्यादा गर्म है Mercury से? That is because Venus has a blanket around it of gases. एक बड़ा सा round blanket है of gases. So what does it do? It does not allow the heat to go out. And that is why it is like an oven which does not have you seen an oven? When you switch on the oven, तब क्या होता है? वो गर्म होता है. Oven के अंदर it is गर्म, but outside do you feel that heat of the oven? You don't feel that heat. But inside the oven it is hot. Same way, Venus is like an oven. It is very hot inside. Okay, it does not allow the heat to go out. वो बाहर जाने को अलाउ नहीं करता है. That is why Venus is the hottest and the brightest planet. Okay, now the third planet. Can you see that blue and the green one? That is our planet where we live. The only planet which has water, which has land, and which has life over there. People, living things live over there. The only planet which has life. Why does it have life? Because it has air, it has water, and that is why we can live on that. Can you see it? Yes, our planet, that is Earth. Then the fourth planet is Mars. It is also called the red planet. Why is it the red planet? Because it has the rocks. I told you all the planets are made up of rocks, right? And along with rocks, there are metals. And Mars is the one which has lots of iron in it, and that is why it is red in color. So children, these four planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, they are called inner planets, and they are made up of rocks and metals. Okay, the first four planets are inner planets. They are little smaller planets. Okay, and they are made up of rocks and metals. Now we will go on to the fifth planet, the biggest planet in our solar system, and that is the Jupiter. Then the sixth planet, the most beautiful planet, is the Saturn. And can you see those round rings? Yes, Saturn has 3 round rings around it, and those rings are made up of little rocks, smaller rocks, and lot of ice. The seventh planet is Uranus, and Uranus was the first planet which was discovered by astronomers. Astronomers are the people who study about the stars and the planets and the space and everything which is all the heavenly bodies. That is what they study. They are called astronomers. And the last planet, can you see that Neptune, the purple colored planet? It is Neptune, and it is very, 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 very far away from the sun. The last planet, the farthest. And on the outside, a small planet called Pluto, Pluto. You know, many years back, children, Pluto was also called a planet, and in the solar system there were 9 planets. But the astronomers said that Pluto is very small in size, so we will not call it a planet. We will call it a dwarf planet or a minor planet, chota wala planet. So now we have in our solar system, we have the sun and the 8 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The first 4 planets, they are made up of rocks and metals, and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, they are called the gas giants. Why giants? Because they are very, 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 very big in size. That is why they are called giants, and they are made up of gases, and that is why they are called gas giants. Okay, now children, I told you all about astronomers. Now astronomers are the people who study about the planets, the stars, the sun, the moon, the asteroids, about the universe. But how do they study about them? How do they come to know what is there in the universe? They make use of a special instrument, and that instrument is called a telescope. So all the astronomers, they observe the universe, they see the sky, they study the planets, they study the stars through this instrument, and this is called a telescope. And with this telescope, the astronomers came to know that there in the sky, the stars, they form a special pattern, a special design. And do you know what do they call that design? They called it constellations. And what did these constellations look like? Something like this. This is Ursa Major constellation. 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 See, this is also another constellation. This is Orion, a constellation. Can you see the stars which have been joined? Yes, doesn't it make a pattern? Doesn't it make a design? So this pattern which the stars make, that is called a constellation. And this was observed by all the astronomers with the help of this instrument called telescope. Okay, so children, today we learnt about the heavenly bodies, the stars and the planets. We learnt about the universe, that the universe is a big space which is made up of millions of galaxies. There are stars, there is sun, there are moons, there are asteroids, there are clouds of dust and rocks which are there in the universe. Yes, so we learnt about that. We also talked about the solar system. The sun and the 8 planets make the solar system. We also learnt about the names of the solar system. The first 4 planets, the Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, are called inner planets or rocky planets. Why rocky planets? Because they are made up of rocks and metals. Whereas Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, they are called gas giants. Very big planets which are made up of gases. Okay, so tomorrow, children, we are going to learn a little more about our planet, that is the Earth, where we live. Okay, so for today, I want you all to read the chapter Our Solar System from your book. Till then, see you all. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.